In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the cabin air filter on this Hyundai Sonata. Located behind the glove box, let's get started. To begin, open up the glove box and empty out anything that's inside of it. You're now going to want to push in on both sides. Pull the glove box down. Just like that. And behind it, you'll see that little door which houses the cabin air filter. Pinch the two tabs on one side and unhook it. Pinch the two tabs on the other side and unhook it. This is full of pine needles. Now this does happen often, so I'm going to carefully try to pull this out of here. That way none of it, or at least very little, falls down into the blower motor. There is your old cabin air filter. In this case, it is a good idea to get a vacuum cleaner and vacuum up anything that's in there. You don't want any of this getting into the blower motor because any debris that's in there not only could shoot out through the vents, but it can also damage the blower motor. Take the cabin air filter and slide it in. It's going to have two sides that are reinforced, two sides that are soft. The reinforced sides go on each side, left and right. The soft sides are front and back. You also want to pay attention to the airflow. On one of the sides there will be an arrow pointing down. That's how you want the air flowing, because the blower motor actually pulls the air in. Now once you've seated this in place, you want to take the door and just clip it right back on. Make sure that's secured. Now you take the glove box, push it up and into position, pull it down to make sure that it has latched into place, reinstall any belongings that you may have had in here, and the job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.